Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start now, power down and reseat the SSD, cable and M. 2 screw matter. You need to boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the controller sees the device. That tells you if it's a hardware link versus an OS issue. Once BIOS shows the drive, boot windows and open disk management to check for uninitialized or unallocated space. Initialize or create a partition if it's a new drive. Doing these steps first narrows the problem quickly and avoids wasted driver changes later. Next, you'll troubleshoot software and firmware. Open Device Manager and update the NVMe or SATA controller driver. Outdated drivers often hide devices from Windows. If the drive shows but is inaccessible, use DiskPart to list disk and inspect partitions. Clean only when you've backed up data because it erases everything. Also, check BIOS storage mode. Switching OSI versus RAID can make an SSD appear. Make that change with care. And prepare for Windows to need driver reinstallation if you flip modes. Finish by running the SSD Maker's toolbox. Firmware updates and smart diagnostics can resolve detection faults. If problems persist, isolate the issue by testing the drive in a different PC or connecting via a USB adapter. This separates motherboard faults from SSD failure. Make sure to update motherboard BIOS if diagnostics point that way, and if nothing changes, reset CMOS to clear bad settings. Key troubleshooting tip: always test the SSD on another system before buying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.